Hey, what's up y'all, it's Charlie. On today's episode I'm going to be showing you how to make my delicious homemade lemon pound cake from scratch. Now this is a remake of my 2015 recipe for lemon pound cake. Now it has 4 different types of lemon in it. It has lemon zest, lemon juice, lemon extract, and lemon instant pudding. And we add that into the cake in small quantities along with our butter, eggs, sugar, leavening, and flour. And after the cake is baked, we top it with a delicious and creamy buttered vanilla lemon icing that you're gonna love. This cake you can get about 18 to 20 servings. It has just the right amount of lemon flavor. Absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all what you'll need to make your homemade lemon pound cake. Let's get started with our ingredients. You will need some swan's down cake flour or all-purpose flour, and along with that you will need some sugar, salt, baking powder, baking soda, unsalted butter at room temperature, large eggs at room temperature, whole milk at room temperature, sour cream at room temperature, heavy whipping cream at room temperature, 1 large lemon at room temperature, lemon extract, butter extract, vanilla extract, lemon instant pudding, yellow gel paste or liquid food coloring, and some confectioner sugar. And for your tools, you'll need a citrus juicer and zester. You will also need some Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray, and to bake your lemon pound cake, you will need a Nordic Ware anniversary bundt pan. This is a 15 cup in capacity bundt pan. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. We're going to get started with our dry ingredients first. So in this medium-sized bowl with a mesh strainer, add 3 cups of cake flour or all-purpose flour, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Sift all the ingredients into the medium-sized bowl. Stir all your ingredients together. Okay, next we're going to rinse 1 large lemon off with cold water. Here we have our citrus zester. We're going to zest 1 large lemon. Make sure you zest the entire lemon. And there we go. And this is our lemon zest here. Take a knife and cut the lemon in half. Here we have our citrus juicer. We're going to juice only 1/2 of the lemon. You only need about 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So if you don't have enough lemon juice to equal to 2 tablespoons, you can always juice the second half of the lemon. And there we go. Now for our wet ingredients. Now I want to let you know that the ingredient amounts for the whole milk, heavy cream, and sour cream will vary if you're using cake flour or all-purpose flour. If you are using cake flour, which I'm using, add 2/3 cup of whole milk at room temperature, 2/3 cup of heavy whipping cream at room temperature, and a half a cup of sour cream at room temperature. If you're using all-purpose flour, add a half a cup of whole milk at room temperature, a half a cup of heavy whipping cream at room temperature, and a 1/4 cup of sour cream at room temperature. Next, add 2 tablespoons of lemon zest, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of the lemon instant pudding, 2 teaspoons of lemon extract, a half a teaspoon of butter extract, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of yellow gel paste or liquid food coloring. I'm going to swirl that into the liquid. I'm going to take my whisk and stir all the ingredients together until combined. Alright, let's get started with the preparation of our cake batter. So in our stand mixer bowl, fit it with the paddle attachment. You can also use a hand mixer as well. Add 3 sticks of unsalted butter, softened and at room temperature, right on in there. And to that, I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar. Start your mixer on a medium-low speed just to get that butter and sugar incorporated. Turn your mixer up to the highest setting and mix this on high speed for 6 minutes. Now at some point during those 6 minutes, you're going to go ahead and stop your mixer and scrape down the sides of your bowl. Continue mixing that in. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Start your mixer on a medium speed. Add 5 large eggs in at room temperature, one at a time. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Okay, next we're going to alternate the cake flour or all-purpose flour mixture and the lemon cream mixture into the batter 3 separate times. We're not doing any measurements or anything like that at this time. Add the first amount of the cake flour or all-purpose flour mixture and the first amount of the lemon cream mixture. Mix this on a medium-low speed for about 15 to 20 seconds or until combined. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add the second amount of the cake flour or all-purpose flour mixture and the second amount of the lemon cream mixture. Mix this on a medium-low speed for about 15 to 20 seconds or until combined. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl. Add the third amount of the cake flour or all-purpose flour mixture and the third amount of the lemon cream mixture. Mix this on a medium-low speed for about 15 to 20 seconds or until combined. Alright, scrape down the sides of your bowl, and from there our lemon pound cake batter is now ready. Spray your bundt pan with the Baker's Joy non-stick baking spray. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and preheat my oven to 325 degrees. Pour your prepared lemon pound cake batter into the bundt pan. Take a spatula and spread the lemon pound cake batter around the bundt pan as evenly as possible. To make the batter more even, shake your bundt pan slightly and tap the bottom of the bundt pan with your hand. Alright, now it is ready to be baked. Place this into a preheated 325 degree oven on the middle rack. Bake this for 1 hour and 10 minutes. Alright, it's been about 1 hour and 10 minutes now for our cake. Let's go ahead and remove this out of the oven. Toothpick inserted into the cake should come out clean. Let the cake cool for about 2 to 3 hours before removing it out of the pan. Alright, my cake has cooled completely. Here I have a cake serving dish. This is nothing but a pizza pan. I'm going to place that on top of the bundt pan and flip the bundt pan over. Lift the bundt pan up, and there we go. Turned out beautiful. Alright, let's get started with making our lemon icing. So in this medium-sized bowl, add 1 1/4 cups of confectioner sugar, 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, 3 tablespoons of warm whole milk, 1/4 teaspoon of lemon extract, 1/4 teaspoon of butter extract, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here I have a toothpick. I've added 1/8 of a teaspoon of the gel paste food coloring, but you can also use liquid food coloring as well. I'm going to swirl it into the liquid. I'm going to take my whisk and stir all the ingredients together until the icing is creamy and smooth with no visible lumps. Take your lemon icing and pour it on top of your cake. Make sure you go all around the top of the cake with the icing. Let the icing set for about 15 to 20 minutes, and after that, The cake is ready to be served. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut you a slice. Oh wow, look at how beautiful and moist that looks. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Homemade lemon pound cake. Made from scratch by a New Orleans native. If you like my channel, hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell button if you want to be notified of my videos. I have an official website for all of my recipes, including this one. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. You can also find me on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Stay tuned as Charlie's taste test is coming up next. Can't wait. Now it's time to go ahead and take a bite. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Y'all, this cake is soft. It's moist. It's kind of like, it's slightly dense from a pound cake, but it also has that softness from the leavening that we added in there. It has a wonderful lemon flavor. Oh man, it's just really, really good. I mean, the flavor is better. The texture is better. I mean, it's better than the lemon pound cake recipe that I did 10 years ago. I mean, perfect. Anyways, give the recipe a try. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, have a good one. Peace.